welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm not going to talk to you for long because it is in the middle of another heat wave. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's absolutely boiling and it is very hot to be in all this gear, but I just wanted to show you a couple of the mods I've done to my bike recently before we head off on a pretty cool little route up through a nice black and white village. I'm going to drop back down onto the main road and I'm going to have the sun behind me all the way home, so I'll be chasing my shadow, which should be pretty cool. Let's go around the back of the bike here and I'll flip the camera around. So at the front here, I've changed to the flat out bar instead of the moustache, and I think that gives the bike a much nicer look. I'm going for the minimalistic bobber look eventually once I've done more mods over the winter, and I think that sits much nicer on the bike than the moustache does. And also I've got this fancy looking Arlen Ness inverted air intake here, which has replaced the Harley Davidson heavy breather that I had on here. I did like the aggressive look of the heavy breather, but the more I looked at it, the more I just started to not like it. It got in my way of the rear brake pedal there as well. So I've put this on and I think it looks really smart. What do you think? I was going to do a video of me installing this new air intake, but I thought it might be a bit fiddly, and it was an incredibly hot day, so I thought I'd just do it and get it on there. It turned out to be pretty easy and I wish I'd filmed it anyway, but I'm very happy with the results. Those are the only two mods I've done, saving most of them for winter. I've got a few others coming up. I'm starting to ride further than my GoPros can record for now, so I've ordered the Innov K7 dash cams, which I'll be doing a video of the install. But for now, let's get out of this heat, get riding. It's going to be a lovely ride. Let's go.